Allison TCM Reflash by Tech Pro Tankram. The Allison TCM Reflash Software from Pro.com is a professional solution designed for reading, writing, and reprogramming transmission control modules in Allison automatic transmission. This tool enables technicians to perform calibration updates, restore original programming, and apply custom settings to ongoing transmission performance. With its intuitive interface, the Allison TCM Reflash supports essential functions such as writing calibration files, reading current configurations, reset transmission IDs, clearing diagnostic codes, and initiating fast learn procedures. These features make it an essential tool for repair shops, fleet maintenance teams, and advanced automotive programs. The software is compatible with a wide range of Allison TCM models and works badly when paired with supported CA and communication hardware. It is especially useful for solving shifting issues, updating to the latest firmware, or restoring damaged TCM data after repairs. When purchased from Pro.com, customers receive not only the licensed software but also professional installation support via TeamViewer. This ensures the program is set up correctly and ready for use without compatibility issues. The product also includes guidance on selecting the proper hardware interface to avoid communication errors such as missing driver files. Whether you're working on heavy-duty trucks, buses, or industrial vehicles, the Allison TCM Reflash by Pro.com offers the reliability, flexibility, and support you need to keep transmissions running smoothly and efficiently. It is a trusted choice for those who demand precision in TCM programming.